2017 KTM RC16. The Austrian GP might be tomorrow, but today the news is all about MotoGP's newest entrant, KTM Racing. The Austrian team used its home to debut officially its MotoGP program, showing the KTM RC16 MotoGP race bike in its officially Red Bull livery for next year. The livery itself is what you would expect between a KTM/Red Bull collaboration, with the same blue and orange paint scheme as can be found on the Red Bull KTM Moto3 squad. The big difference of course is the rumored fire-breathing, 270 HP, V4, engine, which Bradley Smith and Pol Espargaro will attempt to tame. At the MotoGP test at Spielberg, the KTM RC16 was 2 seconds behind the incredible lap times that the Ducati machines were capable of at the Austrian track, which bodes well for the project. The bike's next outing will be at Valencia, where Thomas Lüthi and Mika Kallio will ride with the Moto regulars once again, competing as wild-card entries. The best apples-to-apples comparison though might be the subsequent MotoGP test at Valencia, where Smith and Espargaro will get their first rides on the KTM RC16. So far though, the indications are good. In the meantime, if you're looking for a new desktop background, these photos are mega high resolution because we love you.